Hello.
Hello, sir.
Preeti, due to technical issues, the call has been cut it. So I'm calling. So HR will call you. Please hold on.
Hello.
Hello, Preeti.
Yes, sir.
Please hold on. Our sir or madam will take your technical interview right now. Please hold on.
Yes. Yes, sir. Hello. Yes, ma'am. 25. What are Python decorator? Python decorator is static method, static method. What? Class method, class method. These are the decorator. I did not ask about the syntax. Just simply tell me, say, what are Python decorators? Python decorator. Hello? You know or not? Hello? Hello. Python decorator actually used in static method and class method, instance method. You are searching in Google? No, no, ma'am. What is the difference between list and tuple? List is a set of elements. List is a? List is a set of elements which is inside square bracket. No, then tell me the difference between list and tuple. Don't tell me the definition.
What is the main difference? Is that?
What? Hello? Hello? Actually, we both are discussing here. So just tell me. Actually, writes in parenthesis. The value which is written inside the parenthesis is called tuple, and the set of elements which is the set of value which is declared inside the angle bracket, square bracket is called set. Okay, I don't know about all the Python like that. I just know the because I have the
Hello, Preeti.
Hello? Hello?
Preeti, tell me about the real life implementers of the tuples. Real life implementers. Where do you find the tuples examples in real life? Compared with the real life and tell.
I don't know that.
Okay, okay. Do you know OOPS concepts?
Yes, sir, I know OOPS concept.
Madam is actually good in HTML and CSS. You are telling that you know HTML and CSS and JavaScript.
Yes, sir.
Madam is also a developer in W3 School. He is associate developer of W3 School, and he is now at our company. We are very much proud that Madam is with us.
Yes.
What is OOPS? What are the concepts of OOPS? Please tell.
Hello?
What is OOPS and what are the concepts of OOPS? Please tell.
OOPS is the object-oriented programming system.
System.
Yes, OOPS.
Yes, yes, tell.
It is a mechanism.
Yes. Then, what are the kind of OOPS?
OOPS to write program using class and object. Sir, it is of four types: abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism. These four principles are used in Python only.
Only OOPS is only in Python.
No, sir. I mean, four principles are used in Python, like abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism. But OOPS principle are hello.
Yes, tell. Well, listening.
OOPS principle are follows all types of language programming language.
Yes. Ma'am?
How about HTML tag?
Yes.
Hello? This is hypertext markup language. No, I didn't ask about the full form. You know HTML tag? Yes, ma'am. Okay. Do all HTML tags have an end tag? Yes, ma'am.
All
HTML
HTML
tags have an end tag? Hello? For space, which tag do you use? For space? What?
You don't know, Preeti, no? Preeti?
I don't know about space.
You don't know about HTML and you're telling that no HTML and CSS JavaScript very well. This is your fault. Huh? You only know Python and the core subjects are there. C. You know the C concepts. Preeti?
Yes, sir, I know C.
What kinds of libraries are there in C?
Preeti, I have no idea.
Do you don't know about the string.h and map.h? These are the libraries.
Hello? Hello, Preeti? Hello? Are you there now? Hello, Preeti, are you there? Yes, ma'am. Okay, are you nervous? What, ma'am? Are you nervous? Ma'am, I'm just nervous. Is this your first interview? Have you ever attended a telephonic interview before? No, ma'am, this is my first interview in telephonic. Okay. Okay, just tell me about yourself. Hello, ma'am. Just tell me about yourself. I am Preeti Ranjan Sahoo. No, I'm going back to Ranjan. Just tell me about where you have done your 10th and plus 2, and then what type of graduation you are doing, and where do you belong? Now I am pursuing MCA at Fakirman University, Balator. I have completed graduation at the Patamate College in 2017 in my graduation. Okay. I have completed my intermediate in 2014 and intermediate in 2014. Okay. Yes, and also HSC in 2012.
What about the family background? What more about the family background? Preeti?
Yes, sir.
What is more about the family background of your?
Sir, I have my parents and also two brothers, elder brothers.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is playing cricket.
Oh, you like Virat Kohli, no?
No, sir.
Where do you play?
Sir, I am just playing and it's my hobby.
When did cricket started?
I don't know.
It's your hobby and you don't know the cricket. When does cricket started? It's not fair, Preeti. Okay, you are good student and good behavior. So for this good behavior, we are selecting you. Please send your email ID in this number. I will send you the package details. What we will provide you.
Okay.
Ma'am, are you agree?
Yes, sir. Hello?
Hello, ma'am. Are you agree with that?
Yeah, I'm completely agree.
We are providing job offers to Preeti.
What? Sir.
We are providing job offers to Preeti, and we'll discuss the package details and we'll send it in his mail.
Yeah, sure, I have no problem. You were satisfied with the answer?
Yes, ma'am. I'm satisfied.
Okay.
You too, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, then Preeti, you are coming to Mind 5. So congratulations.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Please send your email ID in this number. Text me.
Sir, email ID, my email ID is Preeti Ranjan.
Don't tell me.
You just send it. Okay, sir. Okay, ma'am. Okay.
We'll provide the bond signing and job offers within two days. We'll send your email.
Okay, sir.
You just when you get that email, just print out that papers and sign it, and then send us.
Sir, actually, I have to submit my project in May, so that after that month.
No. When you are joining our company will provide free project. You should take the project and certificate and deposit in your college.
Depositing in college.
Yes, sir. So you have to leave Hyderabad for joining us.
Yes, sir.
We'll provide you a project, and that is free. We're providing for this is free, and we're providing the certification of this project, and you will just take this and provide it your college, and that will be okay. We are just taking the students from the colleges like Bhubaneswar College Silicons and KATE and ITER. We have already taken 7 students, and you are the last one. We have 8 vacancies. If you don't want to job with us, then tell us.
Sir.
Are you agree with us or not?
Sir, I am not agree because I am pursuing now MCA. So that, after MCA, I thought for job. Thank you.
थोड़ा बड़ा मार गया था